Hello and welcome to the Time Management Masterclass. I am thrilled to have you here. This course is all about helping you take control of your time, boost your productivity, and create balance in your daily life. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just trying to get more organized, you're in the right place. We'll learn practical strategies and proven techniques that will help you manage your day with more clarity, focus, and confidence. Here's what we'll explore in this masterclass. Time audit. You'll discover where your time really goes and how to identify hidden time drains. Goal setting. Learn to set clear, meaningful goals that align with your values and long term vision. Daily planning. Use simple, proven methods to plan your day effectively and stay in control. Overcoming procrastination. Master easy techniques to take action even when you don't feel like it. Focus and distractions. Learn to protect your attention and build powerful concentration habits. Build habits. Finally, we'll build sustainable systems that make productivity effortless. Each section is short, practical, and easy to apply, designed to bring real results in your everyday life. Let's start with an idea that changes everything: the time equality principle. Every person on this planet, students, professionals, or entrepreneurs, gets the same 24 hours each day. Time is the ultimate equalizer. The difference between success and struggle doesn't come from how much time we have, but how we choose to use it. So remember, your time is already enough. What matters now is how wisely you spend it. Before we dive in, let's do a quick reality check. Strong time managers share common strengths. They have clear priorities. They stay focused during work sessions. They plan their days consistently and delegate tasks effectively. But even great time managers have weaknesses: poor planning, multitasking, inefficiency, or too many interruptions. The good news: every weakness can be turned into a growth opportunity with the right tools, and that's exactly what this course will teach you. Our journey begins with the time audit, a simple but eye opening exercise. You'll track your time for a few days to see where every hour goes. Then you'll analyze your patterns, eliminate time wasting activities, and rebuild your schedule around what truly matters. This process alone can transform how you see your day, because you can't manage what you don't measure. Next, we'll set clear and achievable goals. You'll start by clarifying your vision: what does success mean to you? Then you'll create SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Finally, you'll prioritize ruthlessly, focusing on the 20% of activities that create 80% of your results based on the Pareto principle. This step helps you work smarter, not harder. Now we'll turn those goals into action through daily planning. Here's the 3-step routine. Evening planning. Spend 10 minutes at night planning your next day's top 3 priorities. Morning review. Start each morning by reviewing your plan and adjusting it as needed. Execution. Focus. Work in 90-minute blocks with short breaks to stay sharp and productive. With this system, every day begins with clarity and ends with satisfaction. Procrastination is one of the biggest time killers, but we'll defeat it with simple tools. Break tasks into 15-minute chunks so they feel manageable. Use the 2-minute rule: if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. And finally, create accountability. Share your goals with someone who'll help you stay consistent. Once you learn to take quick action, your productivity will skyrocket. Next, we'll learn how to protect your attention. You'll discover how to set digital boundaries, like turning off notifications or using focus apps. We'll practice concentration techniques like the Pomodoro method: 25 minutes of deep work followed by a 5-minute break. You'll also learn to design your workspace to signal focus time to your brain. Focus isn't about effort, it's about environment and awareness. Finally, we'll build habits that make productivity automatic. Start small habits that take less than 2 minutes. Then stack them onto existing routines like reading for 5 minutes after breakfast. And most importantly, track your progress. Every small win adds up over time. This is how you turn time management from a task into a lifestyle. So, are you ready to transform the way you use your time. Because from today onward, you're not just managing your hours, you're designing your life. Let's begin your journey toward balance, focus, and productivity. Welcome once again to the Time Management Masterclass. Let's make every minute count.